Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Sampal20 is super proud to present a Salvadorian type of rice called Casamiento. So let's begin. So we're starting off this recipe by making 4 cups of white rice. I'm doing it in a rice maker because it's super easy and it's quicker, but you could also do it on the stove. Now, roughly 2 cups of dry rice is going to make you 4 cups of cooked rice. Once this is done, we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna allow it to cool off. Next, I'm gonna dice up some veggies. So I have 1 green pepper, 1 medium-sized onion, and 2 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm gonna set that aside for a second, and now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan. I'm going to allow this oil to heat up on my stove for about 2 minutes over medium heat. And once that's done, we're going to add our veggies. We're then gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then I'm gonna give a couple of shakes of our ADOBO seasoning and also a couple of shakes of our garlic and parsley seasoning. We're going to stir and fry our veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions start to turn translucent. So after about 2 to 3 minutes of frying, our tomatoes are gonna release their juices or have already released their juices. This is the time where we're going to add about 2 cups, which is basically about 1 big can of our pinto beans or black beans, whichever you prefer. So we're now gonna give it a nice stir to make sure we incorporate all of the delicious juices. Now we're gonna go and get our cooked rice and we're gonna start to add it 1 spoonful at a time, stirring in between. We're then gonna add half a cup of water, and then I'm going to add 1 big heaping tablespoon of butter. If you want to add some natural yellow food coloring, you can. It's going to make the rice nice and pretty. Pinto beans don't really tend to add color to the rice, while black beans do. It adds a very nice dark purpley brown color to the rice. So it's all going to depend on you if you want to add some color or not. We're now going to stir everything very well, and we're going to lower our heat to a low flame. We're then going to cover our casamiento with a lid, and we're going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes, again on low heat, until all the liquid has evaporated, and we're going to stir this occasionally. And voila, we have our delicious casamiento. You could have this with carne asada, you could have it with carne guisada, just like you see here in the picture. We could have it con crema, whichever way you want to have it, or on its own as well. It's going to be super, super delicious. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.paul20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.